Soar into the world of aerial photography with the E88 GT Drone, a feature-packed quadcopter designed to deliver an exciting and intuitive flying experience. This new drone boasts an 8K dual camera system, intelligent optical flow hovering, and a host of smart functions, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and enthusiasts looking for a capable and portable aerial companion. Capture stunning visuals with 8K dual cameras. The E88 GT is equipped with Escape dual cameras, offering an impressive 8K resolution for capturing incredibly detailed photos and videos from the sky. The dual camera switching feature allows for versatile perspectives, enhancing your aerial photography capabilities. Real-time video transmission ensures you get a live feed from the drone's camera, providing an immersive FPV experience. Stable flight and intelligent hovering. Experience confident and stable flight thanks to the E88 GT's advanced flight system. It features intelligent hovering and intelligent optical flow hovering, which utilize sensors to maintain a steady position, especially beneficial for indoor flights or in areas without GPS. This stability makes it easier to capture clear and steady aerial shots. The drone also incorporates brushless power for enhanced efficiency and durability. User-friendly controls and smart functions. The E88 GT is designed for ease of use, offering multiple control modes including handle remote control and mobile phone remote control. It comes packed with intelligent features to simplify operation and add excitement to your flights. One-key takeoff and landing simplifies the most challenging aspects of drone operation for beginners. Headless mode eliminates the need to adjust the drone's position before flying, making control intuitive. Trajectory flight: draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will autonomously follow it. Gesture photography: capture photos or start video recording with simple hand gestures. 360-degree stunt rolling: perform impressive aerial acrobatics with ease. Beauty filter and MV production: enhance your content directly from the drone's features. Multi-gear speed: adjust the drone speed to match your skill level or desired maneuverability. Emergency stop: provides an immediate halt in critical situations. Cool lighting: adds visual flair and assists with orientation. Compact, foldable and durable design. The E88 GT boasts a convenient foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to transport. When unfolded, it measures 29 by 27 by 5.5 centimeters and folds down to a compact 13.5 by 8 by 5.5 centimeters. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, ensuring lightweight durability. Battery and range. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium body battery, providing a flight time of about 10 minutes. The remote control uses a built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It operates on a 2.4 G frequency for reliable connection and has a flight distance of about 80 to 100 meters. Flight functions: remote control dual camera switching, gesture photography, cool lighting, intelligent optical flow hovering, real-time video transmission, 360-degree stunt rolling, trajectory flight, beauty filter, multi-gear speed, MV production, one-key takeoff and landing, emergency stop, headless mode. The E88 GT Drone offers a compelling blend of an 8K dual camera, intelligent flight features, and a portable design, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for an accessible and fun drone for aerial photography. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews and flying guides.